Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I'm incredibly excited to be introducing March's Make-Along for another year of the Make-Alongs 2026 garments. I know this is a huge jump for a lot of us, and I know it's very intimidating to be working in multiple directions and having to worry about different measurements and things and trying to get lengths and widths and everything else correct. But I promise you, we can do this. We can do this. So when I say garments, I mean shirts, pants, cardigans, t-shirts, anything like that where we're combining more of our skills together to create a wearable. This is not, shawls, shrugs, scarves, hats, things like that. But we are taking all of those skills from those and turning those into other types of wearables. This includes everything from baby through adult. This doesn't have to be a specific size, no specific type of yarn usage or anything like that. This is just to get us into thinking in multiple directions and applying our learned skills in different ways. For some of us, we may actually be taking skills we've had from making other garments and now, applying color work to them and moving and advancing in other ways. Some of us may just have a whole bunch of, nibblings being born in the next year, or all of our friends are getting pregnant. So it's time to start getting, all those little baby cardigans and layettes and christening gowns and all that stuff, together for the next round of children in our lives. Whatever it is, wherever you are, however you are building and expanding your skill set this month, in whatever sizes and whatever fibers you're doing it in, I hope that you will play along with us because it's so much fun. Garment making really can be so much fun. And if you're nervous about diving into an adult size garment, try some child size garments. Build up your stamina and readiness to do full-size, adult projects. You don't have to start off just diving straight in at the deep end of garment making. And I'll be honest, so ironically, this is happening at the same time that in my flatbed knitting machine classes, we've been talking about, knitting pants. Last week was our first week knitting pants. Knitting and crocheting baby pants is a ton of fun. I've done a lot of it by hand. I haven't tried the flatbed method yet, but I'm just saying they are super duper cute and little kids look stupid adorable in their little knitted pants. We have festival season that will be coming up real quickly here in the next couple months. So if you're more into like the summer scene, the beach scene, the festival scene, those garments count as well. Don't forget, we do also have the Q1 make-along, which is focusing on the bulky weight yarn in our stash. So we have the bulky weight mal. Now we have the garment make-along. And closing out February, we just finished Use the Good yarn. So we are running all over the place doing all sorts of different kinds of things. But I am very excited about this month. I know I want to finish my Kisa tee. Personally, that is my goal, is to finish the Kisa tee. That is a free pattern from Hobie. I've completed the back and transitioned to the front, but I haven't finished the front or pieced it and done like the sleeves or anything. There is a tank top I'm wanting to make on the flatbed machine. I have a long sleeve multi-directional sweater that I started last year that I would like to see. Do I want to finish it, or do I want to try to translate this to the flatbed machine? Because I think it could be fun to translate that to the flatbed pattern maybe. And there was another one that I saw that uses the gradient cakes. That's another t-shirt idea. So I've got a couple of things where I've already started them that I want to finish them. And I do have a couple of things I want to start as well. Plus I have my 3 skeins of Beach Bunny yarn that I got at the Southern Comfort Fiber Market in 2025, caked up and ready to go for the Captiva tee. So that is also downstairs and ready to go. Maybe I can get that started, like today well, not today, but like the 1st. Maybe I can make that my goal, is I'm going to cast that on, or start that on the 1st. But I'm very excited. I have so many different things that I want to make, and I'm definitely leaning more towards like the summer wearables versus winter wearables. We've had days that are 80 degrees and then like 4 days later we're, 8 inches deep in snow. So who knows what, the weather will bring by Monday the 1st or Sunday the 1st. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's always an adventure this time of year. You never know. We've had snow on Easter Sunday before, so. And that was a late one. That was mid-April that year. So, but I'm ready. I'm definitely ready for the warmer weather, and I'm definitely gearing more of my things towards warmer weather. So if you want to submit your pictures, you can email them to me. You can send me a DM on Instagram. You can also join our Facebook group. Please answer all 4 questions. Otherwise, I will not allow you into the group. I need to make sure you're agreeing to our rules, as well as you are not a bot coming in to harass people. We also have a Ravelry group. All of those are linked in the description box down below. My Instagram handle's there, my email's there, the link to the Ravelry group's there, and the link to the Facebook group is there as well. Leave a comment down below. What are you planning on working on? How are you planning on pulling things together? Are you buying new, or are you using stash? Because once again, like, my personal goal is definitely using my stash and what I already have. So what are you using? Where are you pulling from? Are you going to combine the quarterly goal with the monthly goal and maybe do a bulky weight garment? What are you planning on making there? I'm kind of curious. I want to know. So anyway, I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye, you guys.